Welcome back to what was known as Rich GSA. I've got rid of the BMW GSA and now I'm on the new bike. We're gonna keep it brief. Just on the way to IKEA in Ashton. What I want is to do a cheeky little reel. I'm just gonna do it on my own. Get some nice reels of the bike and then I'm gonna pop the camera up, do some talking, see what we can get out of her. And I might get some BTS as well. Take you guys along, show you what type of settings I use for my setup. Right guys, I say it's been a while for the channel. I've decided that the best approach for me on socials is to get some talking content on the go. So I'm just gonna talk. I'm gonna tell you kind of stuff I do with the cameras. I'm gonna tell you what I do with the photos. Maybe take you through a bit of editing. The main thing is, main thing is introducing to you the S1000RR 2025. This is week 3 of ownership. Bit of an upgrade from the GSA. So I've been off the channel for a while. I have been going on rides, I have been filming, but the only problem is I've just not had time to edit anything. It's been a while, basically. I'm here at IKEA today, probably seen the intro. Basically just doing some pictures, testing out some bits for making a reel and that. Doing some BTS, me getting stressed out of the gimbal. What the fuck? As usual, getting stressed out at cameras.
Brev, what are you tracking?
Love it. Yeah, in a nice empty IKEA. I'll have a little walk around and show you guys the S1000RR 2025. She's my new bike, she's my baby, and what can I say, I absolutely love it. It's just something else. Like, the speed, the power, the features, the functionality. Yeah, so I'm on a push to get my content going again, and I think doing it YouTube format first, get a following on there, get it built up. I reckon that's the way to go for me personally. And TikTok, nearly on 10k on that now. Still a bit dead though. You can get 1,000 views or you can get 300 views, it doesn't matter. Take you guys on a little journey on what I do, how I set up, pictures I take, what I do for editing. I think it'll be pretty banging, you know. I'll edit this up, I'll get a little ride montage in there as well. I'll get a little montage of me taking pictures, doing a little reel. And if you've got any questions, like if you want to know any tips, techniques, anything really, just give us a shout. Let us know in the comments below. If you want to see more, of this bike, just hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button. Let's try and build it up. It's a creative outlet, that's not my client work. So I need something to express myself that's not for a business, not for a person, not for someone who's famous. You know how it goes. But yeah, I think we're going a little journey together. A little biking journey. Oh yeah. My full levers. I keep looking at the bike as well because that's where I've got my little monitor so I can see what the camera's seeing. If I look distracted, that's the one. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take some photos, get the 70-200 out and show you what's what. I'm just going to run through the settings. I want a quiet shallow depth of field for this type of shot. I'm going to work out what I can do whilst keeping the base image quality very nice. So that there, don't know if you can see. So there's picture 1, nice little 3/4 back shot. So what I do, I usually walk up to it, have a look around, see how the light reacts, see how the light plays off certain stuff. I do like this angle on the bike. I'm gonna get a cheeky one of this angle, just because the sun is just over there, backlighting the bike. And I think it just looks pretty cool on camera when it's like that. So again, 1/500, ISO's low. I could have that higher if I wanted to and change some other settings, but I think it's balanced as it is. Nothing's clipping. Colours are fine. White balance, change it in post. Raw files, it doesn't matter as long as your eye sees it right. Let's get a little low down shot of this baby. Take it off burst mode as well. Put it on single shot. Nothing's moving, so I don't need the action. Just looks chunky from this angle. I love getting the shark fins in. Let's get a detailed shot of that. What I do, try and stabilise myself as much as possible. Same for when you're doing video. Try not to shake the shutter with your finger when you're pressing the shutter. Try and slide it over rather than shake the camera. And that way you get sharper shots, even if it's minor, but you get slightly more detail even on these types of shutter speeds. So this, I'm just gonna get a straight up one. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna align myself to the bike, take another shot, get some detail shots with the light. I can hear bikers.
Let's get a shot of this. So I'm just gonna set my focus, get that locked in, dead center. Just looks f***ing fire. I love getting the lens zoom right in as well. Get that 200mm compression. Lovely. Might have to take this to the floor. Yeah, don't know if you can see, nice little shots for socials, calm, quick, easy.
I say, coming from the GS, it took 0 time to transition. I was straight on it. People complain about having all my back sore, all my hips are sore, all my arms are sore from holding on. No. If you're thinking of getting it, just get it. There's no ifs and buts. It's popular for a reason. It's popular because it's good.
So here we are, about to get my camera set up. So we got the RS4 Pro, big boy. Lock it in. Get the legs out, Raven eye on there as well today. The camera itself, get that locked in. Lens cap off. Just a f***ing hook up, you know, constantly. We're going to be testing the active track. It's a bag of shit, but we'll see if it's any improved compared to what last used it. We have got the camera set up in 60p on an A7IV. That means we're on a crop sensor. My shutter is 125, which is the closest I can get to the 180 reel, which the shutter's twice the frame rate basically. F-stop, I'm just making sure the highlights aren't clipping because the ND is on. It's an ND32 and it's currently on max. So looking at the histogram on the camera, everything's in basically going to get a good image. I'm going to see what it does for active tracking on the gimbal as well. Let's try it. Don't have to get really far out to do this. All right, let's do a walk around. Let's get off active track. But way, I just got a good shot. I f***ing had enough. I'm in my full gear, leathers, boots and everything, and I just can't seem to get any smooth footage. But we'll see how it turns out in the edit. I might just be being hypercritical.
I seen this colour back in February and I thought I have to have it. I fell in love with it basically. I test drove one the same spec back in May, and that's the point I knew I had to get it. I'm poor now, but it. Got a baby shark, and that's what she's known as, baby shark. Right, off you pop, subscribe.